strange driver. He drives on the road, off the road, on the road, off the road, on the road, off the road. And he drives like a snake. See? See? Look. And he so slow down to the 20, for the 20 and 15 kilometers. And look. Give it distance, give it distance. Maybe he's a drunk. Maybe he's drunk. Look. He's drunk, really drunk. He's drunk. And sleepy. He's drunk and sleepy. Look. Haha! Such a good driver. Maybe he had a good Christmas Eve. Look. That is you. Really fast. I can capture him properly on the track. Okay. Now he's sleeping. Let's stop. Stop. See? Hey, stop. Such a driver make an accident. They make accidents. Driving with sleepy and drunk make accidents, and they create the problem with others. Exactly, it happened with me. Stop. Wait. On 22nd December 2023, 3 days before, a truck driver who was sleepy and he hit my car, and there my daughter is with me. My car's totally broke down, but fortunately I'm safe. No injury. Oh, look. It's really sleepy. How sleepy? Let's go. Sleepy, yes? He's drunk.